Well, good morning. Welcome to the channel. I'm 2 laps in, and we're going to film the last 3 laps. And on the last lap, I'm going to do something I haven't done in probably 25 years. That's right, because, you know, I like to push the envelope. I like to do things I shouldn't do. Like I said, push the envelope. Not only that, I like to lick the stamps. And that's something that's been taken away from us. We don't get to lick stamps anymore. Why? You peel and stick. I'm tired of peeling and sticking. I want to lick the stamps again. Don't you? Alright, let me turn you around. It is raining, so I'll be wiping the lens. Whew. I'm trying to pick up my pace to get this done. I wouldn't say it's raining, it's misting. Yeah, it's kind of raining. It's sprinkling. Pretty nasty day out. But it doesn't matter. We got to get it done. Get the legs good and stretched out. Ooh, yesterday I made gotta move that rock. Big batch of homemade chicken noodle soup. Have enough to eat on that for a couple days. Oh, look at there, we about got a trail worn through here. I think I'm gonna head to town, pick me up a new pair of shoes. These still are good. I'm gonna get something a little better for walking. But these are Skechers. They're pretty good. About one of the best walking shoes you can get. They're just about a year old. All right. Oh. I'll get to town, get a few more electrical items, get back to the electricity, and I'm gonna start on the plumbing, I hope, today. Ooh, I need to pick up a few more bird feeders. Had some get destroyed in the shed over the summer. I usually put about 12 or 13 of them out. That's why I have birds everywhere. When I first moved here, I didn't have any birds. I thought that was strange. And so I started putting bird feeders out. Now they stay year round. This privet, they like living in there. I put this one out 2 days ago. I don't think they've discovered it yet. That's usually a popular spot. You can see it right there on the tree. All right. All right, lap 3. Like I said, I did 2 laps before I turned the camera on. I want to cut down editing time because I got a lot of work to do. Y'all just have to trust me on that. But the weight's still going down. So as long as that's happening, even if it's just a little bit, I'm on the right path. All right. Let me wipe this lens. Let's put on some music. Oh yeah, make sure you stick around to the end of the video. You're not going to want to miss this. Back to the music.
I can't give you diamonds or pearl, hand on the moon and take you travel the world, but I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die. I'll give you all of what I've got, the fancy things, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die. Mobile phone, expensive shoes, you can get your own. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die. I'm gonna love you. Oh, I'm gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die.
Roll up my window, don't know where I'm bound. Driving by the river, there's a hole in the ground. Hand-me-down t-shirt sticking on my back. Heading for a fall. Had to get up to crawl. I ain't got no time to stall. On my way to nowhere, I'm not afraid at all. Roll out my window, can stand the fresh air. So far from the city, couldn't even compare. Ragged down highway, too many miles from home. Heading for a fall. Had to get up to crawl. I ain't got no time to stall. On my way to nowhere,
Too heavy. I could feel it in my knees immediately. The physical part I can handle. The breathing, my knees after about the first lap, left knee. But we did it, guys. Almost 1.5 laps in a jog. I would have never thought that 6 weeks ago. And you saw it here. Now I'm gonna attempt this. We're gonna do 1 lap at the end of every walk, even if it hurts. I'll wrap my knees if I have to, but that's gonna build my cardio, my stamina. Gotta do it, man. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy trails.